Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we get to create a second spread of the year in my catch-all planner. So my catch-all planner is called Sketchy Florals. It is a classic size happy planner. And we're going to be working with the week of January 6th through the 12th. And it is a classic vertical plan. As you can see, my previous week is getting filled up quite nicely. So now we get to create this one. It brings me so much joy to do this with you guys. And if this is your first time, welcome. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I am so thankful for you being here. So I'm gonna use a sticker book from Live Love Posh. This one is Winter Allure. It is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. When I saw these stickers, I knew I needed to put them in my planner ASAP so I can enjoy this so much. So if you're like me and you love their stickers, you're in the right place. Also, I have became a Live Love Posh affiliate as of this month. You can use Kasha, Kasia, 10 for 10% off your purchases from Live Love Posh. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and start creating a spread. So I chose this stunning green and blue collection that I couldn't help myself but stick it in my planner. So here we go. If you have never seen this before, I highly recommend this book. So this is a washi strip from that book that I'm gonna just divide into kind of multiple pieces here. So it's going to divide my sidebar into multiple sections for me. I just thought this could be useful where I could have multiple multiple sections in here. So here we go. Okay, one more. And that actually covers the note. So there we go. So that is what it's going to be. And I'm going to go ahead and use boxes and everything from Live Love Posh. I just think it's so stunning. I'm going to go ahead and keep going with it. So I need some small boxes for work. And then I need some larger boxes for events. I do like having a box on each and every day. Even if I don't have particular plans for that week or that day, I should say, I like to put the highlight of the day. So whether my dog did something funny, whether something happened at work, whether I spoke to somebody on the phone, something in those lines where it's uplifting and it's nice. So sometimes I'll put weather. That happened to before, where I just put that it snowed or like snow dusted. So something like that is going in my planner. Look at these berries. Oh my gosh, like so stunning. In general, between green and blue, those are my preferred colors like in life. So no wonder I was drawn to this spread in particular. I am going to incorporate a little bit of gray to like soften it up a little because these colors are very vibrant and very dark. So in order to bring it down a notch, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, their matching boxes are absolutely stunning as well. So we're gonna go ahead and add this lovely cup with blankets, because who doesn't like to cozy up in a frigid January weather? Then I think I'm gonna go ahead and add this girl reading a book right in the middle. She looks so cozy in this really nice puffy chair. I absolutely love it. And then I'm gonna start drawing my checklist because those are absolutely necessary for my well-being in this planner. This is how I track all my tasks and everything that needs to be done. So yeah, that is quite something, right? It would be hard to function without something that we're so used to. So I'm just drawing all the checklists. This is a very simple checklist stencil from the Happy Planner, so it does match the classic boxes. I know a lot of individuals will use this in their large Happy Planner as well, and that is more than fine. It just leaves you a little bit of space. As because I don't use the lines at all, it doesn't matter for me. I just need the bullet points to kind of align, and that is all. I just want it to be straight. So last one on Sunday, and we're gonna go ahead and continue creating the spread. So it's time for larger boxes now that I know how much space I have left, especially like I said, with the checklists, I will know where stuff is. So next up, we're gonna go ahead and add larger boxes, like I said, for daily events. Sometimes I will draw additional boxes just as I go, like dotted and stuff like that, to add additional information in my planner. Whether it's about me or my boyfriend Alec or our dog Toa or whatever I might be doing, I like to keep track of our lives in the planner. So sometimes my boyfriend has this tendency of saying if it's not in the planner, it did not happen, which is pretty accurate, right? Because I keep track of almost the most mundane things as well in here, but like I said, it keeps me on point. So I'm gonna add a gray box to Thursday to bring in that gray to this side as well and balance it out just a little. And then I think I want to use smaller boxes for the weekend. I know that this weekend we don't have any plans as of yet. I think I will make some plans for this weekend soon, but not quite yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them to every single day. This one's crooked. This happens to me more than I would like to admit, but also everything's filmed, so you guys see all of the crookedness in my life. I'm gonna go ahead and add more decorational stickers, and yeah, bear with me as we do that together. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this stunning desk right here. I want the feet to kind of touch right at the end of the page, like so. So yeah, the lovely boxes from the planner do not really confine me, so I kind of go wherever I feel like it. This time the boxes do seem to fit into the confines of the boxes, but usually they don't. Usually I just throw them kind of all over the place. So yeah, so next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful berries right on this side to kind of balance out those huge ones on the other side. I really like that effect. I will also add, let's see, how about we add this girl right here? She does look like Jessica from Live Love Posh, and I love it. I think Jessica is so stunning. Let's add more of those berries right there. And then how about we add this planner with the mug and the pencils on top right there. I'm thinking of adding this bag. I just think I'm gonna like put it right next to it. like so. I think that works. I still need to add a little bit on the top to balance stuff out. So I'm gonna add this coffee cup right there. We could add something on both sides of the girl with the chair. So let's do that. And then let's add this pen to Wednesday. Look how stunning it is, right? Let's add a book right there. It's a stunning, stunning book, you guys. Like all of these images in here are so absolutely beautiful. I just want to stay in the spread for the rest of the year. That's how like it speaks to me when it comes to colors and aesthetic. Okay. I have some leftover washi and maybe we can use that within the spread as well. I don't have enough of this washi left to do anything major. But I do have it if I cut it down in between and just add pieces here and there. And let's see how that goes. How about we added right above the girl, like so. Yeah, I think that looks stunning. So, and that will take care of that little space that I don't like. And then on this side, maybe we can do it above the desk, like so. And that brings that tape all over the spread as well. And yeah, so that is it. I am leaving that space on Sunday a little empty in case I need another box. I don't know if I have plans just yet. So that's going to stay empty. Other than that, I am all done with the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to see what you guys do with all of these stickers. And I hope you guys have such a great week ahead. And I'll talk to you soon and I'll see you for another plan with me. Thanks for spending time today. Bye.